Today, we're going to take a look at the PortSwigger lab on access control vulnerabilities. I'm in Lab 5. My name is Bawen. Today, we're going to solve this lab. Let's get started. Okay, this lab has a horizontal privilege escalation vulnerability on the user account page. To solve the lab, obtain the API key for the user Carlos and submit it as the solution. You can log into your own account using the following credentials: Wiener, Peter. Now, we are going to log in using the given credentials. Once we're logged in, we can see the API key for Wiener. So, we're going to intercept the request using Foxy Proxy. By doing that, we can identify what kind of request is being sent. Once we get the API key for Carlos, we're going to submit the solution. So now, we're going to update it using the update email, and by doing that, we will be able to capture the request. Boom, we captured the request. Now, by sending it to the repeater, we're going to analyze the response. Now we can see that it's using a post request to update the email. By clicking Send, we can see the response 302 found. From here, we can see that the server validates using ID equals Wiener. Now, we're going to see how to manipulate the ID parameter. A user sends a request to a server to retrieve an API key for the ID Wiener. Once the request is sent, the server validates it and provides an API key for the current user by checking the ID. In the same way, an attacker sends a request to the server by changing the ID to Carlos. Since the server validates the ID Wiener, changing it to Carlos results in improper access control, granting Carlos's API key to the attacker. Now we're going to follow the same steps to solve this lab by changing the ID to Carlos. Once we change the ID and hit Enter, we will see the result, Carlos's API key. So now, submit the solution with Carlos's API and click OK. Finally, we're done. We solved the lab. Hope you liked this content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you all in the next video.